This is not just a key. This is Quantum Key, engineered to break through anything. Simply stunning. From bills to playing cards, even clothing. Clean and seamless. Built with a powerful hidden mechanism, Quantum Key allows you to perform impossible penetration in 360. No shy angle. Just snap it to your keyring, always ready to amaze.
Will you hold this for me? Take a look. Is there any hole?
No. Whoa.
There's no hole. Yeah.
And there is more. Quantum Key comes in 2 colors, gold and silver. The choice is yours. Impossible miracle, now possible. Quantum Key, your new everyday carry. Limited release. Get yours today.